And that's how that 8-track boogies, boys. What's happening? I'm Will.
I'm Christy.
And this is Pumbaa Dog.
After years of overlanding across the United States, we decided to hang up _normalcy and move full-time into imaging our 21-foot travel trailer.
Our goal is to set up base camp in different regions of the U.S. and explore the areas around us. We invite you to join us as we share our adventures of full-time living. So trying to get up it in just regular 4 low, we immediately found the limits of an open differential. Then we put on the 8-tracks. As you can see, it just climbs right up. 8-tracks basically acts like an electronic locking differential, puts braking on whatever tire is slipping based off of what the computer feels. It's a tricky system, but it works. If that wouldn't have got us up it, we could have gone ahead and just locked the rear wheels because we don't have a front locker. We only have that 8-track system for the front, or we could have taken the easier line. Or we could have, just gassed the hell out of it, bounced up it, and maybe broke some shit or lost some shit along the way. Having base camp set up in Moab, Utah, put us smack dab in the middle of some of the prettiest scenery you could ever imagine. So on this pretty Tuesday afternoon, we decided to head into Arches National Park and explore a primitive road that I found on the map. So that's the eye of the whale. I guess that's the tail. And that's the eye. See, tail. I guess. I don't know. I know that's called the eye of the whale, though. Now, I know one of the very first questions that I'm going to get down in the comments is going to be, what road is this? Well, to be completely honest with you, I don't remember. I just literally found the little road and decided to explore it, and then we went with it. So that's the road. Sorry. However, I will tell you that with just a little bit of skills of reading a map and just a little bit of interest in trying to find some kind of a cooler route to take, you won't be hard pressed, and it's always going to be good. The park is absolutely huge. There's all kinds of motor vehicle use stuff. Just make sure that you stay on trail whenever you go through, and you'll find a good time. Now, with that said, though, some of these trails are 4-wheel drive. You have to have a high-clearance 4-wheel drive. The whole entire trail might not be extremely technical. There are some parts that get rather technical, so keep that in mind. Any kind of high-clearance 4-wheel drive truck you're going to be okay with. You don't need a whole lot of special modifications. And I'll tell you, too, that in a lot of cases that you're going to see in this video, there are some easier bypasses that I could have taken. I happen to like harder, more challenging lines, so I pick those out anytime I can, and I did no different here. Nonetheless, this trail offers some good off-roading, spectacular views, and a whole different side of the park than you would normally see. Told Christy that we got to go all the way back around. She says that's stupid.
It is. It doesn't reconnect with another part of the park.
Looks like it's just a circle, you know. It's a pretty circle, though. Look at that. Mm-hmm. You want to just make our own trail there, darling?
Just go straight through.
That's crazy. So there's two ways to get to this. The route that we took to get here.
Oh my God,
or you can go.
Not lying. It literally just...
You thought I was bullshitting.
Oh, we gotta go back away. We're gonna be out here till after 9 o'clock.
I mean, we did start that trail a while ago, but I don't think we have to. There's two ways to get out here. I think that we can just go down just a little bit and then we'll be good to go. I think. I hope, because it would be a long time. Man, that's gorgeous though, huh? Golly. You can go up that way and then meet me back at the main park that way.
It's not long, but we're gonna be out here at dark. We gotta go all the way back where we started?
Yeah. Wasn't it worth it?
Yeah.
Just turn around and go back? Reality is, we could just walk this way.
Yeah, like I thought we would just keep going straight and it would reconnect to a different part of the park and then we'd just drive back and be done.
No. No, but I think we can go back out where that little T junction is, where we turned left, and then meet up with the main park that way.
I don't know.
Pretty sure we can. All right, well, that's going to wrap up this quick and beautiful trip through Arches National Park. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to see more like it. And until next time, you guys keep hanging in there like a hair on a biscuit. And remember, you can be happy if you've a mind to. Peace, y'all.